We began this partnership in 2012 with the Buffalo Public Schools and Say Yes, in which 14 Buffalo Public Schools had mental health clinics installed in the facilities. They were spread out across the city, and what we tried to do was to ensure that the most at-risk schools received the first clinics. What we've been able to do now with the partnerships that we have between the Say Yes Foundation, the Buffalo Public School District, and all of the partners that are providing the services in the schools, we're able to expand them. During the 2014-15 school year, 13 new clinics were opened, including one here at the Waterfront School, providing services to more than 200 students. And now in the 2015-16 school year, starting this fall, 15 additional clinics will be open, meaning that there are 42 clinics in 55 schools that now have access to mental health services, which prior to 2012, the number of schools that had access were 0. That's why it's very important. We know as a community we can only succeed if our most precious resource, our children, our next generation, are able to educate themselves and get the skills that they need to succeed in the future. They will not be able to do that if they have undiagnosed illnesses, whether they be health or mental health related. It's important that we do this. These are the types of services that we provide in our community. Sometimes people wonder what county government does, but this is exactly the type of thing that county government does with our partners, to ensure the health and welfare of our citizens, especially our children. This is not a unique issue. This is an issue that is faced all across the country. But we are doing things differently here than other areas because we are partnering together, the public, the private, the not-for-profit societies and sectors, to resolve an issue that one party cannot resolve on its own. County government can't do it, the school district can't do it, Say Yes can't do it alone, and neither can all the partner organizations. But working together, we can do it, and we're proving it by seeing that the students in the schools where the mental health clinics have already been located are achieving better than they were before. They are getting the help, they are getting the diagnosis that they need that they were not going to get in the past. It has been my pleasure to be actively involved in this program since it started in 2012. I remember when the first discussions were had regarding partnering with the Say Yes Foundation, and we knew it wouldn't be easy from a revenue expenditure side because this is one of those services that you need to provide on behalf of your community, which you don't generate any revenue from. But it was important that we do it because it really will secure the future of this community. So I'm very glad to have played a role in making this happen on behalf of the people of Erie County. And I want to thank all our partners for the good work that they do every day to ensure that the next generation of Erie County residents, of those who will be our leaders in the future, get the services they need today so they can become the leaders of the future.